Hey guys, Alex Ryan here. Now, if you're looking for a product idea, this is a product idea that I remember a big Australian company selling this, right? So this is selling really well. It's called a nasal aspirator and snot sucker, all right? And I remember reading this story. It was in Australia. This lady basically invented a new brand of snot sucker. So you put up the baby's nose and it sucks the snot out, right? And very basic. It's a very basic product, all right? So it's doing really well in numbers. So it's simple, lightweight, it's small. It's actually quite profitable. You can sell it in Australia, UK. Now you still got to run the numbers as well, guys. Don't forget there is a bit of a system involved, right? You want to make sure. You want to make sure that it is actually. You do the research, you find out, make sure it is trending right. There is steps, right? You've got to find a supplier over in China. We can actually help you with doing that. And then the process to actually listing on Amazon. But make sure any product that you look at, you want to make sure it is meeting the specs. Simple, lightweight, small, turnover, less than 100 reviews, right? And this is one product that just meets those specs, right? Snot sucker, it can't really get any simple than that. And I don't know if you have a baby right now, and that's kind of what, you may want to look at that, right? A friend of mine actually mentioned that he used to date a girl that had a baby, and she used to get a straw up the nose and suck it up manually, right? Do you want to do that? I personally wouldn't want to do that, but yeah, I would rather use a snot sucker. So have a look at it. If you're looking for more ideas, give us a call in the office, 0280037534. I would love to work with you. I'd love to help you get up and running on Amazon from scratch. Have a great day. Bye.